All right, we're at JFK Airport in New York. We're gonna land in Cancun and then take a 40-minute drive to Playa del Carmen. We're here. How many hours of traveling?
I feel like we're in White Lotus.
Where? Thailand?
No.
Please? Thank you.
Thank you.
First one. Ah.
Sister soda.
You want one?
Oh yeah. Got our badgies. Got a peacock right there. A legendary bird. Alright. I like it. It's nice.
We'll have to double up right now because we're on the first floor.
Yeah, your wristband. Alright.
Look at this one. Yeah.
Is that crazy? There's like 4
We're locked in.
waters.
Yeah, water's like, what do you think the water is? 80? Yes, probably 85. And it's 90 outside. Ready? Go around. So when we first got in, so regular steps, right? And then a 2-foot drop for the last step. Yeah. Yeah. And she dunked herself. How deep is it? Like 5 feet? Yeah. Yeah, it's like 5 feet right here. Probably the deepest it goes. So Sophia's jumping up. Yeah, so it's like 5 feet all the way around. Sophia's hopping. She's hopping. What? Doggy paddle. Doggy paddle. Go. Go.
There we go.
Okay, so back to regular height. Regular depth.
Scary.
Yeah. So I'm in a soccer contest to see who can kick the ball. Oh!
Just a bit outside. He tried the corner and missed.
What's up? Alright, we're going to the adult pool right now. Let's see how it is. A little dirty on the step.
They're playing Bad Bunny.
Yeah, this water's cold.
Wait, you hold them.
Water's cold. Oh, there's a drop right here. Oh, they got seats. Little tour. We got the waterfall. We got the people. So the journey started this morning at 4 a.m. 2-hour ride to JFK Airport in New York.
It never started.
Never started?
It always started.
And then, you know, TSA and all that took, how long did that take?
Probably 2 hours.
2 hours. TSA and all that took 2 hours. And then the flight took 4 hours. And then an hour drive here.
Hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
Yeah.
Through Mexico. And now we're here.
Through the hood.
Through the hood of Mexico. Yeah, I wasn't. I mean, it kind of felt like Puerto Rico.
I thought it looked
look like, let me see. Like when you're, yeah, that's what it looked like when you're driving to Luquillo.
Oh my god.
What?
It just ran by.
What? Oh, they look like anteaters.
There they are.
Those are like lemurs, right? Hello. Oh yeah, look. Nah, lemur. Look at that. Jesus Christ. Right under. So they're walking through this jungle basically. Oh, that's nice over there. Where? Cappy! Cappy! Cappy. Oh, look at all the. You're gonna run into the monkeys over there. Yeah, the lemurs. Those aren't monkeys, right? I thought they were different ones.
Look, you could have a massage down
Oh, look, another cappy. They bite probably, right? Huh? They probably bite. What do you think?
I'm good.
Okay.
What?
I think it's real nice.
Yeah. It's our first time at all inclusive.
We're here because she graduated with her doctorate. This is her present. All right, so this is the spa. This place is huge. Shooting area.
I don't feel great right now.
Why?
Like,
Oh yeah, gymnasium. Here's a sign. Gimnasio Fitness Center. Oh yeah, these guys are going at it for tennis. Or this guy's people with.
already?
Yeah. Gym's closed, but we found it. Oh yeah, they got like a squat machine. Yeah. Is that like a soccer field? Like a mini one? Gym is locked, and that's great. Nothing else. Wish they had a basketball court, that'd be fire. But you know, I guess they like tennis more. We found the buffet. Let's go. The waterfall. Jesus. I think you can. I don't know if you can jump in from there into that. I don't think. Can you jump off from that log into that? I don't think so. I don't think it's deep enough. See what happens. I'm dying. Look at this. Oof. Caliente. Caliente. Oh wow. They got real fish. All right. This is us. All right. This is what we got. We got potatoes, tuna. We got mussels, cold but cooked. We got mahi mahi. We got more mussels, and we got a fresh taco that they made for us. What she got over there? She ate it all. She had a steak, and now she has a taco. Let's go. So either serving shots. All right, this is the entrance. Real nice. They got a seafood cold section over here. Yeah, right. They got bread. They got these huge clams. I'm not gonna eat that. They still kind of look raw. I had those mussels. Those were good. They got sashimi. They got cold salads over here. It's packed for the steak. We got like build your own tacos. Oh, my fault. Yeah, those were the potatoes I was eating. Make your own tacos. Steak station. Hamburgers. Yeah, I'm gonna try this. Oh, this plate's hot. Lasagna, that shit looks old. Pizza. They got pasta. Make your own pasta. They got cold cuts. Cheese. I want to see the fruits. Fruits. Never had this one right there. Yeah. What's that right there? Seafood broth? Yeah, seafood broth. Nah, it's red. So we got fish tempura, a bunch of other cooked fish. Curry back there? What are these? I don't know what these are. But, oh yeah, dessert. Yeah, they got it all. Yeah. Yeah. They got ice cream. Damn, they got mad dessert. Oh, they got flan. They got flan. Yeah. Put it on there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And they got all the bread that they got on the wall right here. And we got it all. Tequila for days. Look at that. Look at that death right there. Oh, those are good. What are those? Tequila? But yeah. Let's try these real quick and then we're out of here. So we got steak, fish tempura, corn on the cob, and some little rice. Papaya.
Passion
Fruit.
papaya, flan.
Yep.
It's like beef.
Steak. That's a weird aftertaste. I don't know. Let's say 6.5. Fish tempura. Yeah, that's all right. Let's try this rice with the green beans. Oh, the green beans are hard. Come on, corn on the cob. Save me. That's the go. All right. Yeah, you can't mess up with corn on the cob. We're gonna try this papaya. She said she hates it, so.
Right?
It's like rotten. It tastes rotten. Oh. It tastes rotten. All right, let's try this flan. I'm a big flan guy.
It's a baby.
It's a baby flan. Not better than my mom's, but it's good. Yeah, she don't like flan, but yeah, it's lacking. Needs more caramel. All right. Yep, we're leaving the buffet. I got salsa on my shorts, so they're screwed for the rest of the trip.
And it's only day one.
And it's only day one. Let's see what else I mess up on these 5 days. Stay tuned for the next episode of Dragon Ball Z.